Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get this amazing look. And this look is for Rakshabandhan look. You can be very creative. You can put a bindi, a red bindi instead of this one, and you can just do whatever you want. But to know how to get this one, you have to keep on watching.
As usual, starting with some moisturizer. For that I'm using Boro Shield Antiseptic Cream. It's very good and it also has tea tree oil, so please make sure you use a light amount or a small amount because it can be very heavy. I'm using the C.A.L Los Angeles Chiselled Corrective Concealer Wheel, and I'm using the shade O2. I'm just making sure that it is on there and just putting that on my lid. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to be filling my eyebrows. For that I'm using the Sivanna's Makeup Academy Professional, and this is very nice, and this is the eyeshadow palette 01. It is so good, I love it. And I always use the neutral colors. I never use black for filling in my eyebrows. That's very rare if I ever do, but I always like to use brown and dark brown shades to fill in my brows. And now just concealing the parts which are really bad or the fallout or other stuff. Now just using a blender to just blend in all that. And now I'm using a primer. This primer is from Color Bar. It is an oil control primer and it is so good. If you want to make your makeup last, you should really use it. And now I'm using Stay Matte from Rimmel London, putting it on my lid. And now I'm using again the Sivanna color, and I'm going in with the color that is right next to the deep brown shade. It's just like Desert Dusk sand color. Now taking BH Cosmetics ItsMyRayeRaye 21 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color Mousse. It's very nice brown color. It also has a hint of orange in it, and so I love it. And just blended it on my lid. Now I'm using the small thin pencil liner brush and going in with the color Deep Brown from Sivanna palette again, and just making crease area even darker so it looks kinda deep when I cut the crease. And now I'm just cutting the crease again using C.A.L Los Angeles Color Correcting Concealer Wheel. So you can see I wanted to do a half cut crease, but then I was like, okay, never mind, I should cut the crease whole. And now again using the deep brown color and just putting it onto the sides of my crease, like the cut crease, so I can make it a half crease. Does that make sense? It does. And now using FC Makeup Fixer and just sprayed it on my brush. And now I'm using the color Fairy Tale from the same BH Cosmetic palette and just putting that onto the half cut crease area. So I really wanted to use my fingertips to foil it, but unfortunately I'm very messy with that, so I tried using a brush. And now I used a wet cotton cloth to just clean out all the fallout and out a proper shape. Now I'm using Color Bar's eyeliner. It's very good, very easy to use, and just giving a classic thick liner to my eyes. And now I'm using my favorite foundation. This is Fit Me foundation in shade 310. Putting it all over my face, and I really like to use a brush because first I use a brush and then I use a beauty blender. And as on the screen you can see, I was really having a bad day that day. Now spraying my face with some natural Wet n Wild's Photo Focus setting spray and blending that out with the foundation again. Using the same BH Cosmetics palette, and now this time I'm using the shades which are for contouring and for bronzing up, just bronzing up my face, looking cute and shit, bronzing up my neck as well, and just doing best. And now I'm just going to use some of that and use a flat eyeshadow brush to create out a nice chiseled nose. Using Nicka Duo blush palette. One is NDO 02. Now for highlight, I'm using Sivanna colors shimmer brick, and I'm using the top 2 colors. It is so pretty and gives kind of like pinkish tone to the highlights. I really like it. Using BH Cosmetics lip liner, and this lip liner is in shade Stripped. Just so beautiful. And I'm also using this another lip liner from Miss Clear, and it is in shade Pretty Pink L15. And now I'm using this Neon Now Generation 2 lipstick. This lipstick I bought from a local market for 160 rupees, and it is very nice. It is 2-in-1 lip gloss as well. And now I'm using my eyelash color to curl my beautiful lashes. I'm using my favorite technique to put on the eye kajal. Using the Volume Express mascara from Maybelline. Before going to the lower lashes with the mascara, I just kind of smoothed out a bit with the Sivanna deep brown colors, and then I use this Lakme 925's green color, and this one is called the Tanjore Rush, and it is very pretty color. It has purple, brown, golden and green in it. And again the shimmer brick, and used a very small highlighter brush and just added the highlight to my inner corners. And our look here is finished.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment your queries in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, happy Rakshabandhan everyone. Enjoy this festival with lots of love and lots of sweets.